Let's talk open houses. Key conversations, Kim Zwiener, KZ Realty, Lincoln, Nebraska. There are a couple different reasons that agents will do open house. If you are working for the seller, you will host an open house at the property that you have listed. The main reason is to draw new buyers to the property. Sometimes the agent at the open house isn't working for the seller. They are simply hosting the house open to gain new buyers for their sphere of influence. So when you get to an open house, it's good for you to know if that person is working for the seller or if that person can potentially work in your best interest as your buyer's agent. I have actually only sold one home in my 17 years at the open house. So that means a client came into the open house, said, I want this house, and bought that house. So you can determine whether or not you think open houses are worthwhile, but I would say the majority of time they are being held open for the real estate agent to gain new prospects.